and fantasy with Arnav. Today's video is about interesting birds. If you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's go to the video. Hooded Pitohui. Hooded Pitohui is the world's only toxic bird. It is the most dangerous flying bird in the world. Its feathers contain the poison batrachotoxin. Hooded Pitohui can safely eat the beetles that produce this venom. It is found in New Guinea. Kakapo. The kakapo or owl parrot lives in New Zealand. It is the only flightless parrot in the world. The feathers on its head grow just like owls. Kakapos roost in trees or on the ground during the day and only become active at night. They are the world's heaviest parrot. King vulture. The king vulture is one of the largest species of vulture found in Central and South America. The king vulture has a very noticeable orange fleshy caruncle on its beak. This vulture is a scavenger. It flies higher in the air than other species of vulture. Blue-footed booby. Blue-footed booby is a marine bird, lives in the Pacific Ocean. Adult has sticky brown and white neck and bright blue feet. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive bright blue feet. Great crested grebe. Grebes build unusual floating nests out of reeds and rotting leaves during hatching season. This nest doesn't sing and resembles a swimming house. The rotting leaves produce extra warmth that heat the eggs. Pitta bird. According to IOC, there are 42 species of pitta birds are there in the world. Pitta birds can be found in Asia, Australia and Africa. Pittas are stub-tailed, long-legged and short-necked. The Indian pitta bird is often referred to as nine-colored bird as it is having nine-colored feathers.